But that's how many Nigerians. Trump. Prof. Yes, okay.
Join us.
Country, amazing culture, hospitality, the airport, the organization, and I can't wait to go back and tell everyone across the world how beautiful this place is. Yeah. And sports is obviously a way that it got me in a room like this. So I understand the importance of, you know, talking with my fist, but also how influential sports can be and the type of rooms you can get in. So I've been calling friends, speaking about ways that we can bring investment into Ghana, we can bring investment into Africa, because I understand some of your policies and what you're trying to do. And from a sportsman, I understand sports is short-lived, and then we cross over into business. So I'm also branching out into that sector, and I understand that there's certain things that we can bring from sports and our connections across the world, and how we can connect Africa to the rest of the world through sports. So Sharaf, amazing man, thank you for bringing me here. It's much appreciated, and long may Legacy Rise continue.
Yeah, thank you. Unfortunately, over the years, things have gone down, and that's what we try to revive by setting up the Bukom Boxing Arena. It's actually an academy because it's got hostels, it's got classrooms and all that. And the intention was that we'll scout and look for young talents all across the country and bring them to live and train there and go to school at the same time, you know. And so we're going to have teachers teach them so that they don't miss on their lessons and all that. Unfortunately, after I left office, that dream, you know, was put on hold. But we have the opportunity to take it up again. My one regret is I didn't build it bigger than it is now. I realized that. I thought that 4,000 was enough to come and see a boxing match, but it looks like we need a much bigger arena to contain the new interest that is coming up.
And I believe it was in that desire to keep Ghana up there that you saw the construction of the Bukom Boxing Arena, which you commissioned in November of 2016. Indeed, it began picking up, but as I said earlier, we all saw what happened. The hostels that you put there, intending to turn it to a great academy, was used for something else. The pool has gone. It no longer contains water. But with your coming into office and the support you are giving every sector, the sports ecosystem has equally responded positively. Football is doing well. Athletics is creating champions around the world. As it stands currently, the fastest 100-meter runner in the world is a Ghanaian. Currently, nobody has broken that record for this year. Unless others join the competition and maybe break that record. But currently, the holder of that record for 2025 is a Ghanaian. But Ghana became the center of attraction Friday night into Saturday morning, because some young persons forward-looking, knowing that we are in the era of talents, have put together to rebirth boxing again. We were in Kumasi and did a small event, and the people of Kumasi were so impressed about what happened there. They didn't know something was being planned, even though a little indication was given there. Your Excellency, Friday, as I said, Ghana became the center of boxing. All key persons who mattered were here. The WBC officials were here. And that was through the initiative of our very young brother and his organization, the Legacy Rise Sports, and Amin Khan, putting themselves together and giving us a great show.